One gunman killed and one arrested as Manchester police managed to foil murder attempt.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, the Manchester police on Sunday the 20th of December foiled a murder attempt in the community of Greenvale, during which one of the gunmen involved in the plot was killed. Another gunman was arrested and the weapon reportedly seized. Now, according to the police, about 2:30 p.m., they received information that men armed with guns were heading to Greenvale to commit a murder. The police say they immediately responded and intercepted the gunmen along a section of the Winston Jones Highway near the entrance to Greenvale. The men reportedly ran into nearby bushes and challenged the police, who returned the fire, killing one of them. The dead man has been identified as Andrew Anthony Chambers of Farm District in Spur 3, Manchester. The police say one cop was injured in the crossfire when a bullet hit his ballistic vest. He was visibly shaken as the police took control of the scene. Another cop was injured by a piece of stick. Both officers have since received medical attention. Meanwhile, the second gunman is now in police custody. The police are also probing reports that a third man was involved.
So they have to find the gun. Oh shit. Are the dead man you might take up, right?
No, I see where I feel because one hate police. So.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!